will begin. But one day, it was to be that would change the profile of things. We dialogue on this level of intelligence. What happened to the science, medical science? The mathematics, without the ABC, without the sciences, the understanding of biochemistry. Why? The molecular structure is complete. It was made by nature, not man. You know, put some clothes on now. But I stuck with you, the black woman. That was my success. You, the black woman. I always kept my eyes on you. Nobody else, not the maid, because I'm one. We don't do nothing. We can't do anything. We need you. You came out of her. This is the gift to the black woman. It's in your hands now, black woman. Yes, it's in your hands. I'm representing some black woman. Mother is mother and will always be mother. The greatest gender on the planet. That is a fact. Oh yeah? Well, I'm gonna find out. What's up? Well, I'm gonna show you what's up. I don't follow any man. I follow women. Oh my God. This is gonna really confound you.